Hey friends, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple zoom through text effect using Filmora9. So what you have to do is go to the titles tab. Let's select this default title, drag it into your timeline, then double click on it, then write the text that you want the user to see, which is zoom. Let us put it in number case. Then for the font, I'm going to use impact. So you can use any type of font that you want. For this tutorial, I want to use impact. Then let us increase on the font size. There. Let's center it. I hope it's centered. Then click OK. Then what you need to do when you go back to the media tab here, take a snapshot or a screenshot of this text. So you click this icon where you see my cursor or the arrow pointing at right now, or the shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-S to take a snapshot, and they will create a snapshot here. So go ahead and delete this one which is in the timeline because we don't need it right now. Then get any footage, a simple footage of a video, and put it in your timeline. You're going to place it there, and we say keep project settings. If at all they ask you, then get this snapshot and drag it on top of that video. So this is the snapshot. Then right click on the snapshot, then select crop and zoom. Then a window will be displayed to you. Then select pan and zoom. With pan and zoom, we are going to zoom into any letter that you want. So for this case, I'm going to zoom into letter O, so the one next to M. So I'm just looking for a better area that we can zoom in. Let us spray this, so it may be slower depending on the recording frame rates. So that's where it's going to be. Then click OK. Then the next thing you're going to do is double click on the snapshot. So this one, double click on it, and this display or tab or menu will be displayed to you. Then under compositing, then select multiply, and as you see, you can see through the background, or you can see through these letters or the cutout areas. When we play, just click OK right now. When you play, you're going to get that simple zoom through text effect. Cool, isn't it? So that's how you can easily create this effect using Filmora9. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll always see you in the next tutorials. Peace.